If you've ever felt pain on the outside of your knee post running or playing sport or in general lifting weights, chances are that it's not the knees that your problem is starting from, it's your hips. Your knees sit between your hips and your ankles. Chances are if your hips and ankles aren't doing their job, then your knees are doing their job for them. Welcome to the Granimals Rehab and Wellness channel and another episode of your series Save Your Knees. When people start having overload or pain on the outer part of their knees, they're often told that it is because of IT band tightness or ITB syndrome. What is the IT band? The IT band is not simply a muscle. It is a thick band of connective tissue extending from your outer hip, down your outer thigh and attaching to just below your lateral knee. So when the ITB gets overloaded, your lateral knee gets overloaded. The job of the IT band is to help stabilize your leg during movement. But why is it getting overworked? Because your glutes, especially the glutes on the outer side that are supposed to do a lot of the work, are weak and not supporting that movement. Secondly, your deep rotator muscles, a group of 6 muscles below your gluteus maximus, muscles like your piriformis, your quadratus femoris and so on, that are supposed to rotate, stabilize and abduct your hip, are also not doing their job. What happens now? As a result, when you walk, run, squat, instead of your outer hip and glute muscles doing the job, your outer thigh and IT band takes over. IT band tightens because it is trying to create stability that your muscles aren't providing. This creates a chain reaction. Now your outer quad is overloaded, your TFL is overloaded and the tension on the ITB increases. And all of that tension and stress transmits down to your outer knee, which creates lateral knee pain, irritation and even meniscus stress and tears over time. Another key missing piece is hip rotation. The femur bone, the bone right here, needs to stay aligned under the pelvis, which is the job of the deep rotator muscles under your glute maximus. They are responsible for ensuring that the pelvis and femur stay aligned. If they are not doing their job, the outer thigh and the ITB compensates, in which case there is a greater chance of your knee going into valgus, collapsing inwards, your hips not being stable during movement, and all of these things eventually create overload of the knee, because if the hip is not stable and strong and able to do its job, the knee pays the price. Why is this problem so common these days? If you want an answer to that, just look at how we live life right now. We sit all day. That means tight hamstrings, tight stiff hips, weak core, stiff lower back. Everything is resulting in overload of the joints. And then when we go and play, run, lift weights, you are asking basically an unoptimized system to handle high intensity loads, which is not possible. That is a recipe for disaster. That's why most people with tight, stiff bodies, when they go out and do activities, end up with chronic tightnesses and pains like the ITB syndrome and like outer knee pain. So in essence, your IT band is not the problem. The problem is your weak, stiff body that is not prepared in terms of ability and movement quality for the things that you are attempting in day-to-day life. In the next part of this series, I will show you how you can fix these weaknesses and stiffnesses step by step and ensure the right muscles do the right work so your outer thigh and ITB don't have to overcompensate, overwork, get stiff and create lateral knee pain. If you've not followed the Granimals Rehab and Wellness channel till now, subscribed, do it. Do it right away, because awesome content is going to keep flowing and you guys are going to keep missing out. This is how you stay active, pain-free for a long run.